The world's biggest cricket stadium in Ahmedabad has been named after Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The entire state-of-the-art sports complex is called the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Sports Enclave, while the stadium inside the complex is called Narendra Modi Cricket Stadium. The name change of Motera Stadium to Narendra Modi Stadium was reflected in a brand new plaque. Now, with its extensive reconstruction and renovation, the venue current capacity is 110,000, much more than the Melbourne Cricket Ground, which is now the second biggest cricket stadium.
तब ये स्टेडियम बना और जब कैपेसिटी तराश की गई 1,32,000 दर्शक साथ में बैठकर क्रिकेट की मैच का लुत्फ उठा पाए, इस प्रकार का स्टेडियम श्री नरेंद्र मोदी के नाम से आज राष्ट्रपति महोदय ने अपने कर कमलों से उद्घाटित किया है, जो न केवल दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा क्रिकेट स्टेडियम है, दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा स्पोर्ट्स स्टेडियम है, जिसका नाम आज हमने हमारे देश के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नाम से रखा है.
Well, hours after the world's biggest stadium in Ahmedabad was renamed after Prime Minister Narendra Modi, a big political war has erupted, with Congress party launching a big attack on the centre, accusing it of insulting Sardar Patel. Congress MP Shashi Tharoor in a tweet asked if renaming of the stadium is the beginning of the labelling spree. Former Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Kamal Nath also described the move as an insult to the Iron Man. Another Congress leader, Hardik Patel, said that the BJP has been seeking votes in the name of Sardar Patel, but now the party has insulted him. He said people of Gujarat won't forgive the BJP for this insult. The centre, however, has hit back at the Congress, asking why Sonia Gandhi never visited Patel's statue at Kevadia.
क्या आज तक सोनिया जी और राहुल गांधी ने केवड़िया में जो दुनिया की सबसे ऊंची सरदार पटेल की प्रतिमा बनी है, उसकी तारीफ की है क्या?
गए भी नहीं.
गए भी हैं क्या? इस बात को मैं पूरी गंभीरता से कहना चाहता हूं. जो आज दुनिया में भारत का एक जबरदस्त पर्यटन स्थल बन रहा है, आप लोग भी गए हैं, अभी तक न वो गए हैं न उसकी प्रशंसा की है. इससे अधिक और क्या कहा जाए?
My colleague Mosmi Singh is getting us more details on that from New Delhi. Mosmi, the bickering really between the Congress and the BJP continues, but the BJP is also, of course, tried to put out an explanation saying that it's not renaming of the entire complex, it's only the stadium that has been renamed, isn't it?
Happy to hear you on the other side from the studio, Sneha. Welcome. But that's on the sidelines. But to the question that you were asking, we are at the Congress office, and the Congress leaders have been hitting out at the BJP, saying that this is the first time that a stadium or any property for that matter has been named after a living person, and this is it a beginning of a legacy spree of naming any national property or public property after a leader, and the Congress party has got lapped up on this opportunity, because remember, it was earlier the BJP that had consistently hit out at the dynastic politics of the Congress party. So really the Congress is happy to grab this opportunity. But on the other hand, if you remember, US President Donald Trump had in fact gone in an entire roadshow cavalcade of sorts with Prime Minister Narendra Modi there at the Motera Stadium. That was a historic moment for Gujarat, and remember that the BJP has been very careful to in fact rename the stadium after Prime Minister Narendra Modi, while remembering that one of the great leaders of the country like Mahatma Gandhi and Sardar Patel also hail from there. So not ruffling those feathers as far as the message to the public is concerned, it is really clear that the Prime Minister is connected to his home state.
All right, Mosmi, thanks for getting us that update, and thanks so much also for your very warm welcome. Mosmi Singh with that report from the national capital.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.